How to reverse a video in CapCut. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily reverse any video on CapCut. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let's just jump right into it. The very first thing you want to do is open up your CapCut application on your phone. Now you can use any existing video or you could use a new one depending on your choice. What I'll do is simply go ahead and create a new project. So from here, I can just import any video. So let's just go ahead and import this video right here. You can just tap on it and then tap on add. Once the video has opened on your timeline, you can just play the video and see how it works. So here's the video. And now in order to split a certain part of the video, let's say I want to reverse the video from around here. I'll just split the videos, just tap on it and then tap on split. Then you can select the part from which you want to end the reverse or start the reverse. Let's say around here. You can just split again. Select the part of the video that you want to reverse. Now all you have to do is scroll to the side down below and find the reverse option. In some cases, you could also do this in the entire video as well. So I'll just tap on the reverse option. Scroll to the side and find the reverse button. It's going to take a while to reverse depending on the length of the video. Just wait for a bit. Now once the reverse is complete, so if I just go ahead and play the video here, as you can see from here, the bolts are going to come back together in reverse and then form back again. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you reverse a video on CapCut. If you found the tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.